project, you will need some vinegar. You will need a cup or jar. And most importantly, some eggs. Our last ingredient for making a rubber egg is time. Okay, to make our rubber egg, we are going to take our egg and put it into our jar or cup, making sure not to crack the egg. Ta-da! Then we are going to take our vinegar and cover the egg completely. You will notice that the egg starts to get some bubbles around it. And now we just need to wait. So please, for this project, you will need to leave this egg for about 48 hours, and then we will. So the eggshell gets its hardness from a mineral called calcium carbonate, similar to what's inside our bones. When you place the egg into the vinegar, you will start to see these bubbles all over the egg. And these bubbles are a chemical reaction between the acid in the vinegar and the base in the calcium carbonate of the eggshell. When an acid and a base mix, they form carbon dioxide, which is a gas, and that's what creates those bubbles. You can also observe after the egg is in the vinegar that it gets a little larger. The eggshell dissolves and leaves a soft, bendable, squeezable rubber egg. All right, so I have left my eggs for 2 days. And here is the jar with the egg. You can still see all the bubbles around it. And you can see, do you see that brown stuff on the top? That is the eggshell. And the egg has gotten a lot bigger as well, but there's no more shell on this egg. It has become almost like a rubber ball, which is so cool. So here is the final product. I took the vinegar, I took it out of its vinegar, and it is super rubbery, which is so cool. And so now for the biggest test, will it bounce? What do you think? Okay, here it is. Bounce test number 1. Let's see. Whoa, did you see that? Okay, and now for the final part of our experiment. I mentioned that there's a small membrane around this, so the shell is all gone, but I want to see what is inside this egg. So I am taking a thumbtack. You can use anything that's kind of sharp, and let's pop this and see what happens. Oh, it goes right through. You can see a little water through it. Oh! So the egg is still inside. You can see the yolk, and you can see the white part. And this little, this is the rubber part. It's just all left. Oh, gross. Pretty cool, huh? All right, thanks for joining us for another episode of Blowing Off Steam. These videos come out every Wednesday at 3 o'clock, and you can check them out on YouTube or on Facebook. Thanks for watching. Try these experiments at home.